Hey, hello everyone. To your teacher Jumbo, and today I'll be teaching you guys again how to create a Telegram channel. Like a lot of you have seen and heard about Telegram channels, the power, how mighty they are, how they can boost your business here actually. So I'm gonna teach you how to create one. Then you can go ahead and create for your business, for your services and others. Okay, at first, if you don't have the Telegram app, you can still go to Telegram to Play Store and download the Telegram app. Okay, you get to Telegram, you can just use any of your accounts, and you have to go to new channel. As soon as you go to new channel, you're gonna create a name for your channel. Like we're gonna choose Jumbo Channel Sample. Yeah, Jumbo Channel Sample, and they're gonna pick a description for this channel. Okay, let's just say we're choosing teaching people how to create Telegram channels. Okay, that's just it. Then you can also choose a picture for your channel. Remember, your channel needs a picture so that people can see the aim and purpose of the channel. Okay, now I'm taking one from my gallery. Okay, let's just say this is let's just take this as our channel's pic. Okay, that's it. Now we are creating the channel. And in Telegram channels, one thing about Telegram channels is that there are two types of channel. We have the public channel. In the public channel, subscribers can join your channel. Only they can search for your channel on Telegram and get your channel. They can join your channel. Anybody can join your channel. But in private channel, only people that have your link can join your channel. Okay, so this is how the public channel's link is. You're gonna type the name you want it to have. But in private channels, they give you a specific link so that any person cannot just join the link, cannot just join the channel. So let's just say we are creating a public channel and they want the link to be the channel's link to be mm, let's just say Jumbo Channel Sample. Yeah, I think it's taken already. Okay, let's just say Jumbo Sample Channel. I think this one should be free too. Okay, let's just add a full stop. Okay, let's just get Jumbo Sample. Okay, it's available. I can just save it. And okay, when creating channels, you can add up to 200 members of your contact, like 200 of your contacts to the channel. And that 200 is the maximum number of people you can add to the channel actually. Then others can now get into the channel via your link. So the number of members you add from your contacts will reflect the number of members. Let's just say we're adding some very few people to the channel for some time. I don't actually intend to add them for example purposes. Now they appear. Now this is your channel. This is your channel dashboard. You can post anything you like on the channel, and every member, every subscriber of the channel will see what you just posted. For example, I'm posting hello everyone. Every member of this channel will actually see what I posted. I can also use a GIF like good morning, attention, and all that, and all members of this channel will actually see what I just posted. That's it. Let's see other things you can also do in the channel. You can add administrators. Add administrators to the channel. People you want them to join the channel, you can add. People that you want them to control the channel for you to help you in running the channel, you can add them. Then you can also add members. Remember, I said you can only add 200 members. Then you can add the rest via your link. Then this is just everything about your channel. You can also see. You can also sorry for that actually. You can also see the recent actions in the channel. Like I got from this yeah. Then you go to recent actions, like the recent actions that happened in the channel, what other administrators did. if somebody left the channel, it's gonna reflect here. If somebody joined the channel, it's gonna show here. Okay, so I think that's all for a channel. I think that's all for the channel. This is just your edit dashboard where you edit everything in your channel. You can also add a discussion group chat. Yeah, you can add a discussion group chat whereby the members of the channel will join to be discussing about the topic of the channel. Like, it's very easy. You can just click on discussion, then you just create a new group, then enter the group's name like Jumbo's sample channel group chat. Yeah, exactly. That's just it. You can now add a picture. Add a picture to that, and then your channel is going to open. Yeah, exactly. So that's just it. Anything you post here will also appear in the group chat, and your channel and your subscribers will see what you just posted. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you guys actually learned from this video. You can go ahead, create your channels, advertise with your links, get a lot of subscribers. It boosts business a lot, trust me. Telegram channels help in boosting business. They are just like YouTube channels. Remember, a lot of people in Telegram earn via adverts. Like, they advertise with their Telegram channels, advertise for people at higher rates as much as possible. So start now, create your Telegram channel, try to get as much subscribers as possible. People in Telegram have up to 10,000 subscribers, 200,000 subscribers, but you can just get as much as you can and start earning or start boosting that business. Okay, I wish to thank you for watching the video. Please hit the subscribe button to always get our videos. Trust me, it's gonna be educative as usual. You can also comment with a video you want us to create for you, like a lesson you want us to actually teach you. We will do that for you as soon as we get your comments. Okay, I hope you learned from this video. Please subscribe to always get our videos. Thank you very much. I love you all.